everybody, it's SaskiaSketches and today I'm going to be opening up another Scrawlrbox. I haven't filmed a video in ages like this and I am super excited to get back to it. Let's see what is inside. Ooh, I'm seeing some black paper, I think. What do we have here? Oh, are these Q-tips? Okay, I'm guessing this is charcoal then. Oh, pretty cool sticker. This is probably contain charcoal. I almost said chocolate. I haven't worked with charcoal in ages. It's been so long. I did it like a little bit when I was first starting out. Oh yeah, look, charcoal. Oh, this looks so fragile. I already know that I'm going to break this. Whew. I'm not even that heavy-handed, but yee. And this, oh, I love these things. If this is what I think it is. Maybe it's a blender, but I really like these eraser pencils. This is a white pastel pencil. No, look, these are the eraser pencils. I got one of these in a previous Scrawlrbox and I love it so much. There's another pastel pencil, I think. Sepia light. And this is probably a charcoal pencil. Koh-i-Noir Heart Muth Charcoal. Very cool. Now we've got a scary looking black sweet. I don't know how that will taste. Or it should taste like charcoal. And a pencil sharpener. And an eraser that's been split. Or is this a kneadable eraser? Yes, a kneadable eraser. Ooh, that's nice because I have this one and it's getting a little bit old and sticky. So that would be nice to have a new one. And what else? Oh wow, oh my, look at that. That is gorgeous. Is that charcoal? Oh my. Phoebe Cripps. Oh, that's so cool. These links in the description. Oh wow. Oh, look at the shine on that. Ooh. I can't do this, but dang, that's cool. Oh yes, look. We have grey paper. Yes. Ooh, that's nice. That is so nice. Ooh. I love using toned paper to work with, because you can use the white pencils or white gel pens and stuff, and you can make the highlights really pop. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Okay, yeah, let's give this a go. Can I just say it feels so good to be doing audio recordings again, because for the past week and a half or so I've been working on this new outro for my videos. Still not done with that, but I've just been drawing, recording, but not doing any audio and like making actual videos. So this is really fun to get back into. I've really missed this actually. I'm so glad to be making a video that's a little bit easier and a bit more manageable, like one I can get done in one day or something. So I'm really happy about that. I also thought this Scrawlrbox was super interesting. Like I said, I haven't drawn with charcoal for such a long time. I think the last time, it must have been years ago. I do remember doing a couple charcoal drawings back when I was really first starting out with art, so that really must have been 5-6 years ago, something like that. But I haven't used it since, so I thought it was really fun to try it again, and that's why I really liked getting some charcoal supplies in the Scrawlrbox, because that's what Scrawlrbox is about, right? Like getting new art supplies and trying different things that you maybe haven't tried before. And I also really like that in a new Scrawlrbox they include like a little booklet where the featured artists explains their work, or like their workflow, how they used the supplies. So I feel like that really helped me get more of a grasp of how these things work and how it's supposed to I don't know, how you're supposed to use them without following I don't know, an hour worth of Skillshare classes on it. I don't even have Skillshare, so that would be problematic. But yes, I did find it very fun to try this again, and I find charcoal is a lot less daunting for me than pastels, for example, because pastels are so far outside of my comfort zone that I really just don't even want to try them, because for all the reasons that I explained in my previous Scrawlrbox video. I think it was the previous one, maybe there was one in between, but where they featured pastels, and it just wasn't really it's always a bit daunting for me. But I found the charcoal surprisingly easy to get back into, so to say, and that was fun. So I kind of like played around with the supplies a little bit with the white pen, so I had fun with that, and the idea that I had for this piece wasn't necessarily I wasn't necessarily able to pull off with only the supplies from the box, so that's why I did the first drawing with only the supplies from the box, and then the second one with supplies that I already had. So the first drawing I drew myself with my stuffed animal, which is just a fox, and in a second one I drew myself with ROAX, and ROAX is a character of mine, is an elemental animal. If you want to know more about him, I suggest reading my screenplay. I'll have a link in the description for that. But I, whenever I'm sad, I tend to, I don't know, hug this fox plushie and pretend it's ROAX. I don't know, it's kind of childish, but it's, I don't know, it's comforting, I guess. So that's why I drew this. I've been wanting to draw this anyway, and there was a collab, or like a challenge on the Weedy Creators Discord for you had to draw something for the prompt emotion. So that's why I wanted to draw this for that, as well as for this video, because I thought that was fun. And I had so much fun with this with the second drawing. And I don't know if you know this, I only found out about this a couple of years ago, but this paper kind of thing, it's called vellum, and it's see-through. So the way that you can use this is you can draw something on one side and then color it on the other side, and it'll still show up. So you don't have to worry about coloring inside the lines. Well, just a little bit, but you don't have to worry about opaque supplies covering up your line work. I think that's the most gimmicky part about this, which I really enjoy. I think that's super cool. And I got a Discord message, please excuse me. I keep forgetting to turn off my computer's audio whenever I'm recording. Let me just throw this disclaimer out there that the paper that I used was not made of animal skins, though types of vellum are, but they're usually much more expensive. So if you buy some from an art supply store, it probably won't be made of animal skins, but I always would recommend being cautious about that. I am very keen on keeping all my supplies animal and cruelty free, because I mean, for obvious reasons, if synthetic brushes work just as well for me as brushes made from animal hair, then why would I use the animal haired brushes, right? And that's why I always want to be very certain that I don't use any supplies that were made from animals. Anyway, with that being said, vellum is cool, go use some. Either way, this Scrawlrbox was fantastic and I had a ton of fun using all the supplies that were inside, especially creating something with the supplies and then enhancing that with some of my own supplies I really enjoy. So yeah, that was I really enjoyed that a lot. With that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end, and if you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more art videos every single Friday. Have a great weekend, guys, and keep on sketching. Bye!